Hi there. I want to share with you a little bit about a resource we're going to be using called a Bitmoji Classroom. So this is the Early Childhood Coaching Handbook book study through Google Classroom. And one of the ways you'll be able to access this Bitmoji Classroom is we're going to go to classwork. In here, we're in the Getting Started section. And so we have resources for further learning. I'm going to select that, and we're going to see there's a link here to the Early Childhood Bitmoji Classroom. So I'm going to click on that. And this is going to bring you to the introduction page to our classroom. So you're going to see some of the Bitmojis of your PDFs from across the state introducing you to different items. So this first page is the Getting Started. And what you'll notice with the classroom is that things are linked. So if I hover over this icon, the Unpacking Coaching Caregivers Participation menu, it gives me that hand, which means there's a link there. So I'm going to click on that, and in a new window, or a new tab, excuse me, it's going to open up the PDF with the participation menu that you can look at to help you. I'm going to go back to the classroom. You'll also see here the coaching handbook. I can click on that and it will bring me to Amazon where I might purchase the book if I don't already have one. And then in order to go to the next slide, I'm going to click the arrow over button. And now it's going to bring me to chapter 1. So when we get to that point, you can come to chapter 1. And you'll notice that the evidence-based definition of coaching practices, also is linked. So when I click on that, it's going to take me to a resource. And so for each chapter, there's going to be a slide with resources that you'll be able to go to and click on. And that is how we are going to use the Bitmoji Classroom to share resources with you.